Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I've been doing a lot of shopping, but it's not for me, okay? It is not, well, some of it is for me, but the majority of this stuff is for my clients, guys. I have a client. I'm going to be helping someone decorate. Right now I am gathering items to do her dryer room in her salon, but eventually she plans to decorate the entire space. But you know, she's just trying to get the dryer room done because that's where people spend the most time, you know, under the dryer, and she wants it to look really nice. All right, so I'm going to show you my goodies before I show you my clients' items because I don't have a lot. All right, so the items I found for myself while I was out shopping, I have this wall decor that's so pretty. Got it from Ross. And look at that price. Look at that price. I purchased 4. I went to 2 different locations though to find 4, and I just think it looks so nice. Then I have this. Look at how pretty this vase is, guys. Look at how pretty that is. And the price was only $29.99 for this. So the next thing I have from Ross are these lamps. Really pretty. I wanted to get some like nice lamps that could be used as decor for the console because I have these here, and yes, they're Glam, but I had to put shades inside because it's just too bright. Like, let me take it out. I just used some material from an old lampshade, but when there's no shade, like diffusing the light is way too bright. It drives my husband crazy, and I just had to try to fix that issue. But hopefully, since you know the glass on this one isn't exposing the bulb, I won't have that issue, and I can still have something nice and pretty up there because I definitely need lamps. And I didn't want to get like 2 floor lamps to put on each side because I just feel like it's gonna make this wall look way too busy. I mean, it has a lot going on with just the mirrors making a statement, and to put some like lamps there, you know, floor lamps, I just think it's gonna look, you know, not too nice. I went over to Burlington's and found this really pretty art. Oh my goodness, look at it, guys. It's beautiful, and it was only $29.99. Oh, the lampshades, these were only $19.99. So really good price for those. But I am just loving this art. I picked up 2, and I was thinking about putting this in the bedroom, in the master bedroom, right next to the TV. But we'll see because I have a lot of wall space in my bedroom, and I do want to go up there and revamp it. Not really sure if I'm going to do a major transformation because I'm just, honestly, I'm so exhausted with all of this transformation stuff. I am pretty tired, and I do want to take a break and just enjoy, you know, the holidays. So I might start it back up, you know, sometime in January. But I'm still going to be out shopping, and I don't get tired of that. But just painting and all of that stuff, yeah, I'm exhausted from all of that. All right, so the rest of the items are for my clients, and the first one is this coffee table that I found on Amazon. I didn't put the suctions in yet because I am going to take the glass out and put it back in the box for install day. I have to put all of this stuff in my car, and I don't want to put the coffee table in the car like this with all of this stuff around it. I don't want anything to happen, like something falls on the glass and breaks it. Like I do not want that to happen. But I wanted to set everything up here. That way I don't have to worry about it on install day, like getting over there and trying to set all of this stuff up. And I also wanted to make sure there was no damage because, like I said, I ordered it on Amazon, and sometimes you can get damaged products on Amazon. That's been happening to me a lot lately for some strange reason. But yeah, this came with no damage at all. She's working on a tight budget, so this is somewhat of a challenge for me because she wants it to look a certain way, and I know with her budget it's gonna be kind of tight to like make it happen. But you guys know me, I can work with a tight budget. That's what I'm about. And then I purchased the 2 rugs, well actually 3. I have this one over here, but I'm definitely returning it because I just don't like it. And that's the thing when ordering stuff online. You can look at the reviews and everything and still get something that you don't like. But the design is okay. It's not bad, but you can just tell, like, you know, it's a really cheap rug compared to like this one. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this has like a really nice feel. It's soft. It doesn't feel like it was only like 40 something dollars for a 5x7, but it just looks good compared to this one. And then I went over to Tuesday Morning looking for a tray, and I came across this one. So nice. It's a 4x6 and it was only $50. Look at that. So pretty, so luxe looking. So I'm just like, oh my goodness, this would look good in the space too. So now I have to just decide. I'm gonna take everything over, and you know, once I start putting stuff together, I'll decide on which one looks better. And then I went over to Ross and found this print. So pretty. I just think it's gonna look so good. So her colors, she has a purple accent wall and the rest of the walls are white. So yeah, I just feel like, you know, throwing some gray in with like her color scheme is going to be really nice. I also have these shelving units that I'm going to return because I don't think I want these in the space anymore. I was going to keep them for myself, but I have no clue on like where to put them. So let me show you guys. It's so pretty. Like you put it on the wall like this. Isn't that beautiful? And it was like $12.99, but I really do not know where to put them. So yeah, and I have like, how many did I buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6. And what I got lucky on is this cabinet from Home Goods. Really beautiful mirrored cabinet. She definitely needs storage, as much storage as possible in her salon because she's lacking with that. And look at the price, guys. Look at this price. Come on, focus. It's not trying to focus, but I got it for $85, guys. There we go. $85 for this really pretty cabinet. Like, you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that price. And let's see. So I went over to Ross and picked up some decor for the coffee table and just like around the room. I'm not going to be using every single thing, but I just wanted to buy, you know, some stuff and play around with it. Whatever I decide not to use in the space, I'll just return it. But yeah, I just wanted to get some really nice decor, stuff with purple in it. And another thing about my client, she is not into that like matchy kind of look. So she has a really bold purple accent wall. She does not want to see purple curtains, purple rug, purple decor. Like, that would drive her insane. So she would be so mad if I decided to go that route after she expressed time after time that she does not like that matchy look. So I figured, you know what, let's just kind of neutralize, you know, the rest of the room and just add some decor pieces that has like, you know, some purple in it. That way it's not like purple everywhere. But yeah, all of this stuff is from Ross. These candle holders from Ross, and the tray, this is from Ross as well. And I have this tray here from Home Goods, and more than likely I'm gonna use this one. I really like this one. All right, so I think, oh, this vase, we went to Home Goods and spent like less than 10 minutes in the store, but as we were leaving, we walked past this one and she was just like, ooh, that's really nice. So I just like took note of that, and then I went back and actually I went back the next day to try to find it, and it wasn't there. Like, someone purchased it, so I had to drive like 30 minutes away to my next Home Goods, and I found this. And this vase was $35. Look at these curtains, they're so nice. Just don't know which one I'm gonna, well, I got 2 different options so my client can make her decision on which one she likes more, because we're not just doing the curtains in the room that I'm decorating. She wants curtains for her entire salon. So yeah, she can make her decision as far as like the other spaces that I'm not going to be decorating, but she still wants to put curtains in those spaces. But I just love this. This is so pretty. I got them from Ross, $24.99, and it's a set of 4, so that's a really good price. And then this one I picked up at Burlington's for $20, but it's still really pretty, you know, no design, but it has that like, you know, silk look. And then I found these mirrors at Ross that I plan to use in the room that I'm decorating. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you these finds for my client and, you know, those items for me. But I just wanted to share this stuff with you guys because I am loving it. But everything was like, you know, inexpensive. You guys know shopping at Ross Home Goods, you're not going to spend a lot of money anyways, but this was like some really good finds. And I'm going to try to record the install day when I like take all of this stuff over to the property and install it. But it's just going to be me. So it's going to be kind of difficult to try to record all of this and stay focused and just get the job done. So that's kind of why I haven't, you know, been recording any of the process. I just wanted to focus on this project. Found some really nice stuff on her budget. I think she's going to like it. But I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.